Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to deposit and withdraw crypto on your OKX wallet. Alright, let's get straight into the video. First, open your OKX Wallet app. On the home screen, you'll see several buttons such as Send, Receive, History, and more. To add funds to your wallet, tap Received. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For this example, I'll choose SUI token. You'll now see a QR code and your deposit address. You can either scan the QR code or tap copy to copy your wallet address. Let me copy mine. Now go to your external wallet or exchange where your tokens are currently stored. In this demonstration, I'll use my OKX exchange account. Tap Withdraw, then choose Withdraw Crypto. Select the same token again. I'll use SUI. Choose Exchange. Paste the deposit address you copied from your OKX wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Once done, tap Submit. Then tap OK. Complete the required security verification and confirm the withdrawal. Awesome, my withdrawal request has now been submitted. Let's wait a few seconds for it to arrive.
A few inches later.
I checked my OKX wallet and the deposit has already arrived. That was really fast. Now let me show you how to withdraw crypto from OKX wallet to another wallet or exchange. From the homepage, select the token you want to withdraw. For this example, I choose MemeFi. Tap Send. Next, you need to paste the external wallet address where you want to send the token. So now, go to your external wallet or exchange you want to receive it on. Again, I'll use my OKX exchange account. Select the same token. Here, it's MemeFi. Here, you can scan the QR code or copy your receiving address. I'll copy the address and paste it back into the OKX wallet. Tap Confirm. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then tap Next. Finally, tap Confirm again. Great, my withdrawal has now been sent. Let's wait a few seconds for confirmation.
A few moments later.
I checked my external wallet and the tokens have already arrived successfully. And that's it. That's how you deposit and withdraw crypto using OKX Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.